first time, we were successful in collecting blood for plasma banking on one of our animals. Our teams are participating in lots of different projects and research, both locally and globally. One of our more important projects has to do with EEHV. That stands for Elephant Endotheliotropic Herpes Virus, which is a rapidly fatal, incredibly dangerous disease of elephants, both in the wild and under human care. What's really challenging is elephants can have this virus in their body and not show any clinical signs, and it may not affect them at all for their entire life. But our young elephants seem to be very susceptible, and when they do start showing clinical signs, they become ill and critical very quickly. The hallmarks of treatment are antiviral therapy, but we also have found that supportive care using plasma from other elephants that are healthy has been able to pull some of our young elephants through this incredibly serious disease.
So we were lucky to be able to collaborate with the Denver Zoo. We were able to send some of our keepers and our hospital technician out there to learn from them. That involved watching their staff do these blood draws, as well as their hospital technicians through the banking process. They've had a high amount of success with these plasma blood draws, along with several other institutions.
Normally we draw blood from our elephants from their ear, and that can take about 30 seconds. So one of the changes was going from a 30-second behavior to almost a 6-minute behavior, and asking a 9,500 pound elephant to stand still for 6 minutes was a little bit of a challenge, but she did great.
So elephants have a lot of blood, they're gonna need a lot of blood. So we're collecting them at several hundred milliliters at a time for plasma. And then basically when there's an elephant in need, depending on the size, they're gonna need a lot of it. This is just the beginning stages of our plasma banking program. So we're definitely gonna be growing, and we're looking forward to that, being able to provide everything for elephants throughout North America.
Important step in the right direction for us to have a plasma banking facility here at Zoo Miami. Our plasma bank will be able to support other elephants that are suffering from EEHV in other facilities.